If you're working on Jira REST API and you wanted to get details on project type key as well as accessible keys informations with Jira REST API, then you are at right place. We will see here detail project API calls in Jira. Whenever you wanted to get informations through Jira REST API, you will refer this video end to end. If you wanted to learn more about Jira REST API, you can follow our REST API playlist. And if you're visiting this channel first time, feel free to hit like and subscribe the channel. And for further updates, don't forget to press bell icon. I would love to see your comments in comment box. Whenever we are working on projects, we wanted to get project types details. For getting project type details for one or two projects is easy, but when we are working on any complex scenario where we wanted to extract these details on a bulk, then probably this REST API will help you to do it. And how we can achieve this, we'll show you in this video. Hi everyone, welcome to raigurkul.com, and today we'll see Jira REST API call. Whenever we are working on Jira REST API, we need endpoints. So this is my endpoints. Authentications I have already configured. If you don't know how to get endpoints and authentications to be done, feel free to refer my previous video. I've included the URL in descriptions tab, which will help you to get authentications done as well as collecting the endpoints. Now to start with this, here we'll use domain name, and after that we'll type rest / API, and we are using cloud versions. So here I'm mentioning the versions, cloud version 3. So it doesn't mean like cloud version 3, it's cloud version API version 3. And then I'm adding projects and then type. So this will give me entire type in this body or in this response. We'll click on send and I will get all the project types you can see here. This is my key. This is formatted key, product discovery. And here we can see colors. Every project types will be available. Whichever projects you're looking for, you can easily get it by using this commands. It displayed all the projects which is available in my instance, and these data are clearly visible wherever you want. So it also have descriptions key. Then we can also see project key, formatted key. Everything is available. This is a business type, color and all is available. All the projects details will be available. Now instead of just type I want the accessible here, okay, control Z. Here I will add / and just type accessible, and it will give me details related to accessible informations like key and all. Everything is available which all are accessible along with the key icons. Everything is here. Now I wanted to get details for only service desk project. I will just copy this part, and instead of just typing accessible, I will provide the service desk project name. And here I can see all the details related to project service desk, where I can see these details. And along with this, I can also see accessible informations as well for this project. In this case, I will just send and I will get accessible information if it is accessible or not. These details are available quickly. We don't have to do much settings. We don't have to do anything. Just endpoints and authentications protocol is more than enough to get these informations. In this video, we have covered how to get project type accessible informations, which is on global level or in the instance level, how many projects I have and along with their accessible informations. Apart from this, if I wanted to get to particular project details and accessible informations, I can also extract it. It's a very quick and easy to get informations from Jira REST API or Jira REST API Cloud Call. Question for you is how you're going to use these REST API. Do you have any use cases which you want to be covered? Do you have any use cases which you wanted to cover? I would like to know in the comment. I can also see any specific use cases which you are working on it. And if you wanted to learn more about Jira, Confluence, or Atlassian products, feel free to refer my entire Atlassian product bundle. I've also created one end-to-end project management course on Jira. You can also refer through Udemy. We'll include the URL in descriptions, which will be helpful for you to quickly access it. That's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you have any comments, suggestions, or feedback, feel free to add in the comment sections. And if you wanted to learn about any specific topic which is not available on my channel, feel free to add the topic name. We'll be happy to create video related to that. But important part, I wanted to see the more topic name, and wherever we have the similarity where more number of users is requesting for the same topic, we'll be happy to create it for you. That's all from this video. We'll see you in next video.